we'll guide you through how to use Mailchimp advertising to boost your marketing efforts. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Mailchimp website, then log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on Create Campaign, and from the options, select Create an Ad. You'll be prompted to choose the ad type you want to run, such as Facebook, Instagram, or Google Ads. Let's say you want to create a Facebook ad. Click on Facebook Ad, and you'll be taken to a setup page where you can customize your ad. Start by setting your goal, whether it's to drive traffic, increase engagement, or generate leads. Next, you'll need to select your audience. Mailchimp offers a variety of targeting options, so you can choose to target your existing contacts, a lookalike audience, or create a new custom audience. After setting your audience, it's time to design your ad. You can either use the built-in Mailchimp design tools or upload your own images and text. Remember to keep your visuals engaging and your message clear. Once your ad is designed, set your budget and schedule. Decide how much you want to spend daily or over the campaign's lifetime, and choose the dates when you want your ad to run. Before launching, take a moment to review your settings and make sure everything is as you want it. When you're satisfied, click Publish to launch your ad. Mailchimp will then review your ad to ensure it meets all guidelines, and once approved, it will go live. Don't forget to regularly check the performance of your ad in the Reports section to see how it's doing and make any necessary adjustments to optimize your results. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.